Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel. I want to give you a very good strategy right now. I have been waiting for this strategy for a long time. This is called the Bollinger Band expansion. This is what the Bollinger Band expansion strategy. Yes, when it expands like this, price tends to continue going into that direction of expansion. Now, not only is the Bollinger Band expanding, you can see that we have a huge breakout candlestick. In terms of this candlestick here, it's a huge breakout candlestick, and you can see that the pressure started from the one deviation Bollinger Band. You see it's making this double top, and then we see how the one deviation rejected price. Let me take it closer. You see how the one deviation rejected these prices. The middle Bollinger Band rejected this one here. When buyers came in, middle rejected it. It broke. It came to the one deviation lower. When buyers came in, it rejected buyers again. Now this broke, and even as now, when buyers came in, it rejected. Why? Because the force of this breakout is strong. So therefore, the market is going to continue to go down for the next 5 minutes. This is a very safe strategy to use. Now this is the Bollinger Band strategy. I'm using the Bollinger Band as my foundation alongside price action. Remember, indicators are not to be used on their own. What I did was simple. I saw a downward momentum. First of all, I saw a pressure build up from the one deviation. I saw a momentum, and I saw a popular price action that we all know, which is what the breakout. So momentum build up, pressure build up, momentum, breakout price action, and I did the call trade for 5 minutes. Now you'll find that one thing. Now most people will say this is an engulfing candle. I've said this before. At this stage, this cannot be an engulfing candle. Why? Because we have a current pressure going down. You see, this buildup of pressure here is always going to be bigger than any pressure that is forming here. So instead of you to see this now as an engulfing candle, you'll see this candle as a downtrend, a retest of this level, and a continuation. If this is your first time in my channel, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to get the ebook, which of course is no longer free, you can get it here. Okay, you can see this is the Bollinger Band strategy I'm telling you about. This is just the Bollinger Band. This is what I just showed you. Now you see that the band is flat, but at a point when it's flat, you're always trading from the edges, right? You're trading the reversals. When it's flat like this, when you see this engulfing candlestick, then this engulfing is going to make sense to do a call trade. But when the Bollinger Band is expanding, this side is expanding, here is expanding, you don't expect that to happen. You understand? When you get the ebook, you're going to see more of this. I'm going to explain it. For this ebook, you get it, you see how to determine the strength of a trend using the indicators, how to predict price action. There are some candlestick patterns like this that you can use to you can master, combined with volume and price analysis, and how to read momentum. You can see how price from here was rejecting. Now in terms of accumulation and distribution, the markup, the markdown, this is something I will be giving out in my course, because this is already the foundation of trading using the week off method, but that it will be too much for now. In terms of that, you can see that these are what the selling climax already happening at this place. If you understand what I'm saying, the selling climax, the momentum, and this is what a test of demand. It is a test of demand, and this is a continuation. So if you are going to use the week off method, after you see the test of demand, you see this huge candlestick, you continue downward. You see this 1 2 3 candlestick is still a signal that you can use to trade here, because you can see it here. Let me show you that particular one. Let me see. I've shown that particular candlestick signal severally. Let me find it. Okay, that was in the morning. That was a trade in the morning. Okay, I think it will be up. I will just show that and we'll end the video. let me. Okay, here is that particular pattern I am talking about, that you can still go with the put trade in a downtrend after the breakout. You see this three candlestick, you see it here. You can see if I'm putting my support level here, you can see that it is almost the same with what we have here. Let me show you. You see it's almost the same. You can't have perfect, but this is the price action after in a strong trend. You see, this is the beginning, so you can go with this trade. So this is a very, very, very easy way to trade just for 5 minutes. So until next time, I want you to take care, practice these things. For those of you who have the ebook, practice this thing. Practice will always make it perfect. So bye bye.